Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is a winner unboxing. So the other day I was thinking, oh, I am running short of shoes. I need to buy a pair of new red shoes or see today's color. I need to buy some colorful shoes to match it. And I just by this time, as I was thinking, I received an email. Shall we collaborate again? It's been more than 2 years or maybe 3 years I didn't buy any shoes. Oh, Vivaia. I love those shoes. They are very, very comfortable. Let's opening it up. Pink, pink or red. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. 开车抬个白子头。这个 pink。1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles. 6 plastic bottles. Oh, look at this peeling sticker. Completely. The airplane is so loud. Oh my goodness. I was thinking maybe I should have something a little bit different. So this is with a bow tie. Let me try it. Oh my goodness, just perfect. You know, this is not a pointed toe, so I can have a size that is half size smaller, but just comfortable. The pointed toe, the ballet shoes pointed toe, they are pretty, but sometimes you feel tight. And this one is just perfect, 39. 大脚杨海英，哈哈哈。我是大脚，不是小脚老太太，小脚老太太是一个大脚脚。Okay, let me try it. We will do an outfit of the day. Oh my goodness, the color is just perfect. Okay, before everything. Oh, this is so comfortable and the color is just perfect. Don't you think so? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, hello dear friends. Let's do an outfit of the day. I just finished my work and quite exhausted. I came back home almost falling asleep. So I took a little bit of rest and put on some lip color so that I'm in a good spirit. So let's do an outfit of the day, and I will tell you one of my inventions. Okay, I think pink goes well, right? Because I choose the lip color a little bit pink to go with this. Okay, let's do the pink one. Outfit of the day. And it's so very comfortable. So here is my invention. I go to work and today a little bit rainy. So the pants is a little bit long and fall to, okay, let me do this way. Yes, and fall to the ground. Can you see it? It is goes to the ground. here also goes to the ground. So I pick up things, I move things. As teacher, you start to prepare things. And if you wear high heel shoes, looks quite good. But I was thinking maybe I need to tie it. I bring it up here and here, something like it. I am a teacher. I have a lot of these materials, so I can do this. I think I did this. Oh, I forgot. A little bit forgot. But you get the idea. When I use bicycle, so this is a new a la mode, don't you think so? You can decide how long it goes up. A new a la mode. What did I do? A little bit confused. I am a little bit confused of my own action, of my own creation. So as teacher, you have a lot of these stainless stationaries and pins. So I just did this, and it's very, very comfortable. Oh, sorry, you cannot see me. I am sorry, you cannot see me. Now you can see. Right? You can make it long or short. Gosh, this is not the same length. You get the idea, right? Now I am not in the classroom. I do not need it. Just pick it out. Take it out. Goo-goo. Minu. Minu. It's so very comfortable. Okay, let's do an outfit of the day. Let's do a walk. Googly. Vinny. Vinny. That's it. I love it. Not too much color. I mean, not too fancy, just a little knot on it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really